Do you want a flat stomach but feel too busy, too tired, or just overwhelmed by complicated workouts? What if I told you there are 10 simple moves you can do right at home, no equipment, no gym, no strict diet, that can start changing your belly starting today? Stay with me until the very end, because each move unlocks a new level of transformation, and the last one is a secret technique even celebrities swear by. Before moving, if you are new to my channel, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Welcome to today's workout. This isn't just another video you'll watch and forget. This is your first step toward a stronger, flatter stomach, and the best part? You don't need any equipment, fancy gym membership, or hours of your day. Just you, your determination, and a few minutes that could change how you feel in your own skin. How many times have you started a routine only to quit because it felt too hard, too complicated, or too time-consuming? That ends here. In the next few minutes, I'll guide you through 10 simple yet powerful moves that target your abs from every angle, upper, lower, and sides, while keeping things light, fun, and doable for any fitness level. I designed this routine to build up gradually so you'll never feel lost or overwhelmed. Each exercise is easy to follow, but highly effective if you commit to doing it with focus. And trust me, by the end of this video you'll not only feel the burn, but you'll also know exactly what it takes to see visible changes over time. So grab some space, silence your distractions, and make a promise to yourself: no skipping, no rushing, just 10 solid minutes that belong to you. Ready to feel your core wake up? Let's dive into the first move and start flattening that stomach today. Exercise 1. Standing knee to elbow crunches. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart and your hands gently placed behind your head, just like you would for a crunch, but this time we're doing it standing. Begin by lifting your right knee toward your left elbow, twisting your torso as you bring them together, then return to the starting position and repeat on the opposite side. This movement is an excellent warm-up because it immediately activates your core, particularly your oblique muscles on the sides of your waist, while also engaging your hips and legs. It gently raises your heart rate, which helps prepare your body to burn more calories during the rest of the workout. The secret here is to move with control. Don't rush through the motion. Each twist should be deliberate, with a firm squeeze in your core as your elbow and knee meet. Keep your back straight, your chest lifted, and your movements fluid. Start with 20 repetitions on each side, or set a timer for 40 seconds. Focus on your breathing. Inhale as you prepare, exhale as you twist. Visualize your waistline tightening with every twist, as if you're wringing out excess fat around your midsection. This exercise is simple, low impact, and perfect for anyone, even beginners, because it doesn't put stress on your lower back. With consistent practice, you'll build a stronger core foundation and kickstart the fat burning process before you even hit the floor. Exercise 2. Plank shoulder taps. Begin in a high plank position with your hands placed directly under your shoulders and your body forming a straight line from your head to your heels. From here, lift your right hand to tap your left shoulder, then place it back down and switch sides. This exercise engages your entire core, front, sides, and even your deep stabilizing muscles, while also working your shoulders, arms, and back. The key to making this move effective is minimizing hip movement. Your goal is to keep your torso as steady as possible while your arms alternate tapping. Think of your abs as a brace holding your body firm against gravity. Each tap forces your core to resist twisting, which not only tones your stomach, but also builds functional strength you'll feel in everyday movements. Start with 30 to 40 seconds at a controlled pace. If you're new to planks, you can widen your feet slightly for better balance, or lower your knees for a modified version. Breathe steadily. Exhale each time you tap. Inhale as you return your hand to the floor. Focus on pulling your belly button toward your spine and keeping your hips low, not letting them rise like a mountain. Plank shoulder taps are incredibly efficient because they mix static hold with dynamic movement, burning more calories and activating more muscles at once. Over time, this will help flatten your belly while improving your posture and balance. Exercise 3. Reverse crunches. Lie flat on your back with your arms gently placed at your sides for support. Bend your knees to a 90-degree angle, keeping your feet off the ground. Now slowly lift your hips off the floor, bringing your knees toward your chest as you exhale. Lower back down with control. Avoid letting your feet touch the floor to maintain tension in your abs. This movement specifically targets the lower part of your abdomen, a stubborn area that most people struggle with. The secret is control. Don't use momentum to swing your legs up. Instead, focus on curling your hips and engaging your core deeply with every lift. This makes each repetition far more effective and safe for your lower back compared to traditional sit-ups. Aim for 15 to 20 repetitions. As you move, picture your lower belly tightening and flattening with every controlled lift. Feel that deep slow burn? That's your lower abs waking up and getting stronger. One of the best things about reverse crunches is how adaptable they are. Beginners can keep their knees bent more, while advanced exercisers can extend their legs straight for added challenge. Consistency with this single exercise will build a strong foundation for a toned stomach, all while avoiding unnecessary strain on your neck and spine. Exercise 4. Bicycle twists. Lie flat on your back with your hands gently supporting your head. Avoid pulling on your neck. Lift your knees to tabletop position and engage your core. Now extend your right leg straight out while twisting your torso so your right elbow moves toward your left knee. Switch sides, mimicking a pedaling motion like you're riding a slow invisible bicycle. This move is incredibly effective for your obliques, the side muscles that give your waist that sculpted, toned appearance. It also engages the upper and lower abs, making it a total core exercise. The secret to maximum impact is slow, controlled movement. Don't rush. Exhale as you twist, inhale as you switch. Focus on the squeeze at each side, as if you're wringing out your waistline like a towel. Start with 30 to 45 seconds of continuous motion. If you're feeling strong, extend to a minute. Beginners can keep their legs higher off the ground to reduce strain. Advanced viewers can lower their legs closer to the floor for more intensity. With regular practice, bicycle twists help slim the waistline, build rotational strength, and create that lean athletic midsection everyone notices. Exercise 5. Flutter kicks. Lie down on your back and place your hands underneath your hips for extra support. Extend both legs out straight, hovering them just a few inches off the floor. Begin to kick your legs up and down in a controlled fluttering motion. Small, quick movements, not big swings. This exercise is a powerhouse for the lower abs and also challenges your hip flexors. The key is to keep your lower back pressed firmly against the floor to protect your spine. If you notice your back arching, raise your legs slightly higher. It's always better to go easier and maintain good form than to strain. Breathe steadily throughout. Avoid holding your breath. Instead, maintain a calm rhythm as you flutter for 30 seconds, gradually increasing to 45 to 60 seconds as your strength improves. Flutter kicks do more than just tone. They help improve your core endurance, meaning your abs become stronger and more supportive for daily activities. That tight burning sensation you'll feel? That's your lower core firing up, and with regular practice this will help flatten the lower belly and improve posture. Exercise 6. Seated in and outs. Sit on the floor or a mat with your hands slightly behind you for balance. Lift your feet off the ground, bringing your knees toward your chest. Now extend your legs out straight without letting them touch the floor, then draw them back in toward your chest. That's 1 rep. This move targets the entire abdominal area, upper, middle, and lower, while also engaging your hip flexors. It's a dynamic movement that forces your core to stay active the entire time. Inhale as you extend your legs, exhale as you pull them back in. Perform 15 to 20 repetitions at a controlled pace. Don't rush. The slower you move, the more your abs must work to stabilize your body. If you're just starting out, you can keep your knees slightly bent or rest your hands a bit closer to your hips for support. Advanced viewers can extend their legs fully and keep their torso slightly reclined for maximum tension. Seated in and outs are fantastic because they mimic real-life core stability movements and can be done anywhere: bedroom, office, or even during a break at work. With consistent effort, you'll notice your core getting tighter and your stomach appearing flatter week after week. Exercise 7. Side plank hip dips. Lie on your side and prop yourself up on your elbow, aligning it directly under your shoulder. Stack your feet or stagger them for balance. Lift your hips into a side plank position, creating a straight line from head to heels. From here, slowly lower your hip toward the floor, then lift it back up to starting position. This movement directly targets your obliques and side waist, while also strengthening your shoulders and glutes for added stability. Do 10 to 15 reps per side. Beginners can keep their bottom knee bent on the ground for extra support, while advanced viewers can stack their feet and even hold a light weight on their hip for an extra challenge. Breathe steadily. Inhale as you lower, exhale as you lift. The key is to move slowly and with control, avoiding any jerky motion. Side plank hip dips help trim love handles, sculpt your waistline, and improve your core stability for better posture. It's one of those exercises that not only tones but also teaches your body to engage the deep stabilizing muscles often neglected in standard ab workouts. Exercise 8. Standing side bends. Stand tall with your feet hip width apart, shoulders relaxed. Place your right hand on your hip and extend your left arm overhead. Slowly bend your torso to the right, keeping your chest facing forward, then return to the starting position. Repeat for 15 reps before switching sides. This simple but effective move stretches and strengthens the oblique muscles along your waistline, helping to define and slim your sides. The most important tip: avoid leaning forward or backward. Keep the motion strictly side to side for maximum oblique activation. For added intensity, hold a water bottle or light household object in your moving hand to create a gentle resistance. Inhale as you bend, exhale as you return upright. Focus on that side stretch. It helps lengthen tight muscles that can make your waist look wider than it is. Standing side bends are a fantastic complement to other core exercises because they work your torso in a different plane of motion. They're also perfect for beginners who want to build mobility and core awareness before moving on to more advanced twisting exercises. Exercise 9. Mountain climbers. Start in a high plank position with your hands under your shoulders and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Now drive your right knee toward your chest, then quickly switch to your left knee, as if running in place horizontally. Mountain climbers are a double-duty exercise. They torch calories by getting your heart rate up while also engaging your core muscles to stabilize your body. Go at a pace that challenges you but doesn't compromise your form. Keep your hips low, don't let them pop up like a downward dog. Engage your abs as if you're trying to pull your belly button toward your spine with each knee drive. Start with 30 seconds and work up to 45 to 60 seconds. Beginners can move slower and step each knee forward, while advanced exercisers can speed up for a cardio-intensive burn. This exercise is a favorite because it not only helps flatten your stomach but also boosts your metabolism for hours after your workout, making it a powerful fat-burning tool. Exercise 10. The vacuum hold. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Take a deep breath and then exhale, completely emptying your lungs of air. Now, without inhaling, draw your belly button inward as far as you can, as if you're trying to make your stomach touch your spine. Hold this contraction for 15 to 20 seconds while breathing lightly through your chest, then release and repeat 3 to 4 times. This technique is known as the stomach vacuum, and it specifically targets the deep core muscles called the transverse abdominis, your body's natural corset. Strengthening these deep muscles pulls your waistline in tighter over time, creating a naturally flatter stomach even when you're relaxed. The best part? You can do this anywhere, standing in line, watching TV, or even sitting at your desk. Start with 3 rounds and gradually work up to longer holds. The key is consistency. This isn't a calorie-burning move like mountain climbers, but it is a shaping exercise that improves your posture, supports your lower back, and tightens your core from the inside out. Combine this with the other 9 moves and you'll be building a stronger, slimmer core with every session. You just completed all 10 moves. Take a deep breath and notice how alive your core feels right now. That warmth you feel? That's the beginning of real change. Flattening your stomach isn't about perfection, it's about small, consistent steps, and you just took a powerful one today. Here's your next step: don't stop here. Repeat this routine 3 to 4 times a week. Pair it with drinking plenty of water, mindful eating, and staying active throughout the day, and you'll start to see and feel the difference in just a few weeks. And remember, your journey doesn't have to be lonely. Comment below with "I'm committed," so I know you're in this with me. I read every single one of your comments, and seeing your progress inspires me to keep creating these free workouts for you. If this routine helped you, hit the like button. It tells me to make more content like this. Subscribe if you haven't already and ring that bell so you never miss a new video that could be the key to your transformation. Share this workout with a friend or family member who's ready to take that first step with you. Together we can build a community that lifts each other up and makes fitness something to look forward to, not fear. Until next time, stay strong, stay consistent, and remember, your dream body is built one move one day and one choice at a time, and you made the right choice today.